Okay guys, so this is what we bought at AutoZone. We bought this because every time we go down our driveway, we have this little piece that's chipped off, and it keeps messing up our bumper. Basically, it's a DIY universal lip spoiler. You can buy them like an Easy Lip or the Easy Lip Pro, or this at AutoZone, online, on Amazon, anywhere. Basically, it's a little rubber rear bumper spoiler or front bumper spoiler, whatever you want, wherever you want to put it. And if you look down here, you can see how scuffed our bumper is. So what I'm gonna do is it's 3M tape and it's rubberized, so whenever you hit something it's gonna flex, and you just put it around the bumper. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it for y'all, and we can go ahead and get to the installation.
Okay guys, this is what we bought from AutoZone. Universal front bumper spoiler. Bali, ang purpose lang nito is basically protection doon sa bumper ng inyong mga sasakyan. Sa inyong sasakyan. At i-install, meron namang mga instruction sa YouTube and yung manual dito. Do it yourself, UV resistant, trim to fit Moscar. So universal siya. At simulan na natin ang pag-install nito. Okay?
Installation is pretty self-explanatory. I mean, there's 3M tape. It holds up pretty well. As long as you're not going 300 miles per hour, this should stay on. Basically, what comes in is the lip kit and some instructions on how to do them. You can cut this down to size, so I'm probably going to go inside and get some scissors. But the first thing we need to do is clean it. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to go ahead and... So this doesn't come in, but I have a microfiber cloth and rough rag. So what we're going to do, it comes with screws too if you want to screw it in, but the first thing you want to do is go ahead and prime it.
Okay, prime.
It's for your adhesion. It comes with a little sticker that you can put anywhere. We can go ahead and, what I'm going to do is I'm just probably going to stick it on the inside or something. So, here we go. Okay.
Okay.
It's an alcohol prep pad that's included. Just going to open it up, and we're going to clean the whole bumper. The whole underneath, at least. Then it's not going to be able to bond straight. It's going to be sloppy. It's not going to look good.
Alright. So guys, ito yung mga tawag na bago nyo idikit yung pinaka-protection nyo. Lilinisin nyo muna. Ayan. Basically, cleaning kit. Tapos, ito naman kasi, ayan, ano lang to yun, pandikit lang, rubberize lang talaga, ididikit mo lang doon. So, yan, para protection sa bumper, ganun lang.
Washing the car, don't wash it for 72 hours.
Yep. So basically guys, ano lang yan, dinidikit lang, protection lang. So makikita nyo yung finished product. Alright, yan. So may sobra tayo guys na, ayan o, sobra.
Alright, so now here's the finished product.
Ganun lang guys. So
now if you look over here, it looks like
magiging
the car is lower.
Yeah.
A sporty look. Make sure everything's sticking everywhere.
Yeah, kailangan meron ka pa palang ano dyan eh.
And if you want, you can screw.
Ah, yes,
which is probably we need to do just right here, Dad. Look.
Yeah. Oh, dali na yan. So yan guys, so finished product. Protection sa bumper.
Do you have the screw gun?
Yeah.
We need that.
Okay, so if you like this video, guys, make sure to click the subscribe, comment, and like. And I hope you learned something, and see you on the next video. Alright, bye guys. Alright. So guys, this is the this is the types of touring items.
Restart.
Okay. Action. So guys, this is the types touring items universal front bumper spoiler that we bought from AutoZone.
Do it again, Dad. You don't need to say, just say Type S. This is the lip spoiler. You just said it's Type S lip spoiler that we bought.
So guys, this is the type universal ano ba to? Cut. So guys, this is touring item types, black na kulay. Bakit may Wow!
Touring item types? Oh crap.
So guys, this is the touring item types, black color, universal front front bumper spoiler.
Type S. Type S.
Types.
Not type. It's Type S.
Is that Type S? Alright, and action! So guys, this is the Type S touring items black universal front bumper spoiler that we bought from AutoZone do-it-yourself installation. This is basically the protection from your bumper, right? Bumper.
From your bumper? Protection for your bumper.
Yeah, protection for your bumper. And it is act also as a, what do you call that? Aerodynamic something.
It's supposed to improve aerodynamics and give your car a lower stance sport car look.
Yeah. Basically the protection
that?
type.
You might want to try that again. Just make this bloopers.
Okay. Okay guys, this is the Type S. Type S color black. Natural color. Black na nga yung color.
This is a Type S color black. It's not crayon.
Yeah.
Type S universal lip spoiler.
Yeah, Type S universal S.
Universal S.
Ano ba tong vlog na to? Okay. Action! Touring item Type S. Black color. Black color.
Black color? Dad! Okay. It's just a lip spoiler. That's all you gotta say.
Alright guys, this is the Type S universal item.
Now you're just screaming it. Universal item. It's universal lip spoiler.
Yeah, universal front. Ano ba to?
Universal front. Bleh.
Universal front bumper spoiler for your bumper. For your spoiler.
You just said universal front spoiler for your bumper.
Yeah. Basta yun na yun mga guys, no?
Mga guys.
Mga guys. Ano ba tong ano na to? Gagawin ko na ng bloopers to. Teka.